Hello, and welcome to this week's Peter's Perspective. Today we'll be discussing the change in the operating model for services that we've been undergoing, particularly in these post-pandemic times. So what am I talking about? Well, as an illustration, think of a DevOps model versus the waterfall model, or the new BizOps model as we think about business process and other areas. Fundamentally here, we are injecting far more technology into our service areas and far more layers of automation. Now, often the cloud is the foundation of this, but is by no means the only part of the technology adoption we're talking about. The result of this additional technology in building these platforms is we also have to change our organizational structure and typically collapse the towers that were a part of our old service model into self-organizing or pods, which are focused on the platform and the business results they get from this. Now, today, let's talk about the implications of this change of this business model. These changes are very substantial and they create a lot of change management. They're also something that cannot be done in a single step. So the old model of a TOM, a target operating model, adopting it, getting to that destination, and then enjoying its benefits, really no longer apply. Rather, these are journeys that we move to over time and manage this very substantial amount of change as we collapse the silos and has a rippling effect of changing how we organize our business as well. The implications for this in terms of governance, measurement, and how we contract for services are very profound. We have to re-examine how we contract for services as part of this process. This old one and done model, this contracting model that's grown up, no longer really fits. More we have to have this organic and moving model where we focus on getting deeper and deeper into the operating model. And the amount of change this requires, both on the vendors as well on the internal organization and the business organization, is very substantial and has to be provided for and has to be kept track of and has to be driven relentlessly. So until our next time at Peter's Perspective, I'll leave you with these thoughts.